Good morning, everyone. In the last class, we have discussed the functions of xylem and phloem with the help of an experiment. Today, I am going to discuss with you about the bark. Bark is a tough outermost cover of trees. Have you ever observed the outermost part of trees? The trunk and the older branches of trees have a tough outermost covering called the bark. As we can see in the diagram, bark protects the inner part of a tree. It prevents water loss and forms a barrier against organisms such as insects that damage plants. Besides, bark also protects the tree from cold and warm weather. Understood? You see the diagram and observe the various rings. It is a cut section of a tree trunk. If you observe a cut section of a tree trunk, you will find the rings inside the trunk. The wood that grows in about a year forms a ring in the trunk. Each ring represents 1 year. Got my point? What I have told? The wood that grows in about a year form a ring in the trunk. Each ring represents 1 year. Okay? One characteristic of this ring that by counting the number of rings we can know how long the tree must have lived. Okay? Then modification of stem. Some plants store food and water in their body. But where do they store? Well, some plants like potato, onion, turmeric store food in their stem. And one question may arise in your mind that stem is a part of a shoot system of a plant. Is not it? Which are present, which are on the ground. Well, this type of stem are called normal stem. Okay? But these are some stems which are very different from normal stems, and food is stored by the plant are called modified stem. Clear? The modified stem grows underground. The stems have nodes. In a growing season, buds grow from these nodes. If a piece of potato or turmeric is buried in moist soil, these buds form new shoots and give birth to new plant. Next, stems modified to store water and make food. Cactus plants are adapted to grow in dry sandy desert. The stems of cactus are thick, green and fleshy. How dear? The stems of cactus plants are thick, green and fleshy, due to which they can prepare their own food and can store water easily. Next, stems modified to provide additional support. Some plants like gourd and grapevine have weak stem which cannot grow erect. These types of plants have tendrils, but these types of plants have tendril. So what is tendril? Tendrils are thread-like structures which coil around nearby objects and help the plant to grow upward. Understood? Thank you all.